Energy is all there is. There is nothing else. I want every human being on the planet to know how to do this. Everybody on this planet is already a healer because you carry it in your DNA. When you really experience the results yourself of what you can do for yourself, it awakens that a spirit of wonder and hope and joy. I've been teaching this and having a practice for 40 years, and I'm still thrilled. It's like, oh my God, it works. I was very, very sick from the time I was 16 until about 31. I got myself well from multiple sclerosis when I was told not only would I never walk, I wasn't going to live because all my organs were breaking down. I'm so much healthier now than I was when I was young. So I am telling you, whatever state you're in, you can get better. You'll see ways to lift yourself up out of stress and pain, how to get out of depression, how to feel better. Just feel better.